Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Test Code Flow. So today I'm going to start a new series on the frequently asked question in Java coding question of interviews. This is mostly for QA automation interviews. So we'll start this. So today is day 1. So in our day 1 we will start with the our first program, that is prime number. So my first question, what is prime number? Let's understand that firstly. What is prime number? So prime number are those number which have exactly two positive divisors. Two positive divisors. What is mean by that? So we'll take example from starting. So let's take one here. Okay. So 1 is divisible by 1, right? What will come? Output will come 1. 1 will come, right? Is 1 is divisible by any other number? No, not 2, not 3, not 4, not any other number. 1 is not divisible by any other number. So 1 has only one divisor. One positive divisor. Okay. Now let's see 2. So 2 is divisible by 1, right? What will come? 2. Okay. 2 is divisible by 2, right? Yes. What will come? 1 will come. 2 is divisible by any other number you are remembering? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 200, any other number? No, 2 is not divisible by any other number, right? So 2 has two positive divisors. Two positive divisors. Now let's move to 3. Okay. 3 is divisible by 1, right? What will come? 3. Okay. 3 is divisible by 2? No. 3 is divisible by 3? Yes. What will come? 1. 3 is divisible by any other number? No. We don't have any other number. So 3 have two positive divisors. Okay. Now we will move to 4. 4. 4 is divisible by 1? Yes. 4 will come. 4 is divisible by 2? Yes. What will come? 2. 4 to the 2 to the 4. Okay. 4 is divisible by 3? No. 4 is divisible by 4, right? So what will come? 1 will come. So 4 has 3 positive divisors. 3 things can divide 4. 3 integers can divide 4. So 4 has 3 positive divisors. So this will not fall in the category of prime numbers. I hope you understood. The numbers which have two positive divisors. Two divisors are here, 1 and 3. This 1 and 3. This is divisor. 1 and 2. Two divisors are there. The numbers which have two positive divisors are prime number. So let's see the program of this prime number. So I have opened my Eclipse IDE here. So in this I have created one project already. What you can do to create a new project, you will go to file section, then new, and then you will come to the project. By this you can create a new project. I'll go with this one only. And if you want like what is the setup of Eclipse IDE, how we will do setup for running the Java programs, comment for me. I will create a separate video on this, how you can do that. Okay, so for now I will go with this project which I have created with the name coding programs. In this I have one package already created, coding. In this package I will create one new class. So it is asking me to fill the name of the class. I will give prime number. And I will add public static void main string args. Main function I will add for Java here. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, it came. So here you can see the basic structure of Java program came. So now we will start. So for all our program in this series, I will take the input from user only. I will not hard code the value. I will take the input from user only so that you can enter anything. Okay. So for entering the value or taking the input from user in Java, what you need to do, we have one scanner class that is already predefined. So we have to use that. How we can do this? Let's see. Scanner equals scanner, any value you can give. I'm giving QA. Okay. New scanner. So one new scanner I have created here. And now here I will give system dot in here. So I have given system dot in so that it can make it understand system dot in is used to take the value from system dot in input value from the system. Okay, from the keyboard, from the user. So it is done. Now we have defined that we will take the input value from user. So here some issues are there. Let's see. Okay, it is asking me to add one import for the scanner class. We will add the import. You can also do that. Okay, after doing this, now we'll move to the next step. What next step we'll do? I will print a value to the console. So I am printing in console enter a number so that user or someone else who is running is able to understand that, oh, I have to enter one value here. Okay, I'll print this into the console. Let's see, try running that if it is coming or not into the console. Okay, so it came here. See, in the console window, enter a number. Any number we can enter here. Now the person who is running will able to understand I have to enter one value. Next thing, I will create one integer value as we are working on numbers, prime number, right? We are working on numbers, so for number we use integer. So I'm creating one variable with in the integer with the name number. After creating this, what I will do, the value that I have taken from user, na, this for number, any number which user will enter. Firstly, it will go and will store in this QA, scanner QA. In this QA, this value will be stored. So now this value I am taking this from QA to this int num, integer value. This value I am storing in now number variable. That 4 will be now stored into the number. So after storing this, I'm storing this to use in our program. After storing this value, I will create a boolean variable. So I have created one boolean variable. Boolean variable are only true or false. So in this boolean variable, I am doing it as true. I am already declaring it as true. Okay. After this, I will start one loop. In this loop, I will give a condition. So I'm going to make this program with the if else loop. So in this, what I have given, number should be greater than equal to 1. The number value will always be greater than equal to 1, as I have told you here already, that number should be positive. Here one condition, number should be positive only. Prime numbers are all only positive, as you know that, and it should be greater than or greater than 1. Why greater than 1? 1 has only one positive divisor, right? So it will not fall in the category of prime numbers. So we will take the input only which is greater than 1. Okay. After that, what we will do? So in this loop, I have given the condition number should be greater than equal to 1. And if anyone entering 0 or any like negative number, it will not fall in the category of number is greater than equal to 1. So it will directly give us prime number is false, like prime number, this is not a prime number. So I'm giving this condition here. Okay, I'll start an else loop. So in this else loop, what I will do? I will create a for loop in this. Okay, in this for loop, let's see what we will do. So in this for loop, I'm creating one integer again as with the name I. Okay, I am defining its value as 2. As we know that every number is divisible by 1, so I will start with the number 2. So after starting this, I am giving a condition here is that. So what condition I have given? Firstly, I have declared one integer that I is equal to 2. I have taken the value of I is equals to 2, and now if I is smaller than number, like number is, if number is greater than I, number is greater than I, like number is greater than 2, first thing, because I is equals to 2, then if number is greater than 2, then I value will be plus plus, I value will be increased by plus 1. Okay, here if firstly I is equals to 2, and if number is greater than 2, then I value will be plus 1. Like let me take one example here. If I is already 2, number is 4. Okay, we have taken here number 4, right? So 4 is greater than 2, right? Then first it will go one round of the loop and it will again come back, and I value will be plus 1, like I value will be 3, and it will again go to the loop. Like this will work. Okay, after doing this, what we'll do here, I will again put a condition if. What condition I'm giving here? Number that we have taken from the user, ampersand I is equal to 0. What do we mean by that? Number ampersand is equals to 0. I is equals to 0. If 4 ampersand, this means remainder. If number we will take, let me go there. Okay, we'll understand here. Num percent I equal to 0 I have given. Okay, let's assume we have number 4. Okay, 4 is divisible by 2, right? When we will divide 4 by 2, okay, what will come? 2 will come. Remainder will be 0. right? Remainder will be 0. So I am here, what I am doing with this expression, if we are dividing some number with the I, and if value comes 0, if value comes 0, what I will do there, I will do is prime is false, and I will break the loop here. Okay, so now let me make you understand this thing. Let me erase this here. Okay, so I will take one number here, I value here we have I value, already we have 2. Okay, I we have 2, right? Now I will take the number num equal num equal 4. Here number we have 4. Okay, we have taken the number 4. So we have 2 here, 2 is 4. So what it will come? It will go 2 times 4 and remainder will be 0. And if remainder will be 0, our number is not prime. Cause why? We have only 2 positive divisors there, and if this will be 0, that we have some other divisor also that is giving us 0, right? And we will see 2. 2 is divisible by 2. So here what we have seen here, 2 is, when we are dividing 2 to 4, here 2 is coming, remainder is 0. Here this also remainder is 0. Okay, so here we are seeing that 4 has one more uh, divisor, that is 2. That is some other number, it is not 1 though, not 4 though, 2 is also coming here in between. So if we are dividing number and some other number is also dividing that number, and remainder is coming 0, remainder will, when remainder will come 0, that when 2 divide 4 fully, right? 4 fully, only when 4 fully will divide, 2 will divide 4 fully, only then remainder will come, right? 0. So I am giving that condition so that we can know that okay, this number is also, is this number is also divisible by this, like 4 is also divisible by 2. So now this is not a prime number. Why this is not a prime number? Prime number is only divisible by 1 or that number itself. If any other number is dividing that number, that will have more than 2 positive divisors. So I am giving that condition there, so that it should not have more than 2 divisors. Okay, so now the loop will go on and on. Here number we have 4 taken. Okay, 4 number we have taken. So what will happen here? First, 4 will be divided by 2. Okay. Remainder is equals to 0. Remainder 0 is coming. What will happen? It will at that time only. It will go is prime false. The number is prime is false. Now number is not prime. It will directly break the loop from there only. Okay. Understand? Let's understand. We will take 3. So I key value 2. I value 2. 2 is it 2 is 2 dividing 3? 2 ones are 2. Here 1 is coming. See. Remainder we have coming 1. So 2 is not dividing 3. So now what will happen? Our remainder is not 0. It is not 0. This will not go here. Now it will again go to this loop for loop. Now I value will be plus 1. Now I value will be 3. 3. Okay. So it will see here. Okay. Now the number we have 3. I value we have 3. Now number is not greater than 3. So it will break the loop here only. It will not go again to the loop. Now if you will take 5 there. Okay. Let me erase this first. If we will take number value 5. Okay. So what will happen? Firstly 2 divided by 5. 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4. What will come? Remainder will come 1. Okay. So it will not. It is not equals to 0. So it will not break the loop again. So now number will be plus 1. 3 5. 3 ones are 3 here. 2. Remainder is 2. So it will also not will fall in that category. Okay. Now number will be 4. I will be plus. Right. So 4 is also smaller than number. So it will again go to the loop. Again 4 ones are 4. Remainder will come here. 1 will come. It is also not equals to 0. So it will again go and check. Okay. Now in next condition number will be 5. Okay. 5 is not greater than 5. 5 is equals to 5. It will again what we will do? It will come out of the loop. Now it is not following the for loop condition. Like that only we will do. So I hope you understand this. What we are doing in that loop. Okay. It will go and check the conditions. If it remainder 0 will come, it directly will go is prime false, number is not prime. Now we have to print so that user can know okay number is prime or not. So now I'm again using the loop if is prime. If our number is prime, what we'll do? System.out.println. Okay. What will print to the console? If number is prime, is a prime number. I will add number in here firstly so that it will print 4 is not a prime number or 3 is a prime number. In else condition, I am giving condition is not prime number so that user can know is not prime number. Okay, this is done. If it will break here. The prime number is false, so it will not go in this condition. It will come to the else condition, that this is not a prime number. And if remainder is not coming as equals to 0, then that is a prime number. So this condition will be true in this loop. This condition will not be true then. If it is not coming to equal to 0, then we have already declared that okay, it is true. And if it remainder is coming equals to 0, then this is false. So here, let's save our program and try to run. Okay, we have to enter the number 3. 3 is a prime number, right? 3 is a prime number. Again, let's check with some other number, like 4. 4 is not a prime number. What will happen? Remainder will come 0 here, right? Okay, so I hope you understand this program. And this is our day 1. And if you have any other questions or you want me to solve that, you can comment me. And I will print this. You can take it there. Yes, okay. Thank you. And now we will continue this series every day for our interview preparation. So you can go to and visit to my channel and subscribe to my channel, so that if new video will come, you will get to know that what is the new program we are doing, so that our consistency will be go on and on. So we will solve daily 1 2 3 whatever. This is long, so I have solved 1 only. Now I will try to do make it more short. Okay, so thank you so much for watching till here. Thank you.